Hi, welcome to the Coffee Laboratory. I am Manson, a Specialty Coffee Association Authorized trainer. Do you love coffee but find yourself battling heartburn, acid reflux, or uncomfortable stomach issues every time you drink? If so, you're certainly not alone. Millions of coffee enthusiasts face the same dilemma, caught between their passion for this beloved beverage and the discomfort it often brings. The good news is that you don't have to abandon your cherished morning ritual or sacrifice flavor for comfort. Today, I'm excited to share with you how to make low-acid coffee that remains gentle on your stomach while still delivering that rich, satisfying taste you crave. First, we'll explore the best types of coffee beans to seek out, as not all beans are created equal when it comes to acidity. You'll learn about specific varieties that are naturally lower in acid, allowing you to enjoy your cup without the burn. Next, we'll dive into the brewing methods that can significantly impact acidity levels. From cold brewing to using specific filters, these techniques can enhance your coffee experience by minimizing harshness and maximizing flavor. Finally, I'll share some delightful recipes that incorporate low-acid coffee into your morning routine or afternoon pick-me-up, showcasing how versatile and enjoyable this beverage can be. Whether you prefer your coffee black, with a splash of cream, or as a refreshing iced drink, there are plenty of ways to enjoy it without discomfort. So, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to savor your coffee without the pain, ensuring that each sip brings you joy rather than regret. Let's embark on this journey to discover how you can enjoy your favorite drink worry-free. First, let's delve into why coffee can sometimes be harsh on your stomach and lead to discomfort. Coffee is a complex beverage that contains various organic acids, including chlorogenic, citric, and malic acids. These acids are responsible for the bright and tangy flavors that many of us love, but they can also contribute to digestive issues for some individuals. By choosing specific brewing methods and bean varieties, you can significantly reduce both the caffeine content and the overall acidity of your coffee. This means that you can still savor your favorite beverage while minimizing the risk of stomach upset. So, as we explore these solutions, you'll discover how to enjoy your daily cup of coffee without the pain, allowing you to indulge in this beloved drink with confidence and pleasure. The first step to enjoying low-acid coffee begins with selecting the right beans, as not all coffee is created equal. Some varieties are naturally lower in acid, making them a better choice for those who experience discomfort after a cup. One crucial factor to consider is the origin of the beans. For instance, coffee beans from Brazil, Sumatra, Peru, and Guatemala are known for their lower acidity levels. This is largely due to the fact that they are grown at lower elevations and in mineral-rich soils, which contribute to a smoother flavor profile. In contrast, beans from higher altitude regions, such as Kenya or Ethiopia, typically exhibit higher acidity levels, which can be more challenging for sensitive stomachs. Another important aspect to consider is the roast level of the coffee. Dark roasts are your best friend when it comes to low-acid options. The longer roasting process breaks down more of the organic acids present in the beans, resulting in a smoother and less harsh flavor. This means that if you're sensitive to acidity, opting for a dark roast can significantly enhance your coffee experience. On the other hand, light roasts retain more of their natural acidity, which might not be ideal for those prone to digestive issues, so it's wise to skip those if you find that coffee tends to upset your stomach. Additionally, shade-grown coffee is another excellent option to consider. Beans that are cultivated in shaded environments, such as those from Costa Rica's Tarrazú region, tend to be less acidic. The slower ripening process in these shaded areas allows the beans to develop fewer harsh acids, resulting in a gentler flavor profile. If you're looking for convenience, there are also specific brands that specialize in low-acid coffee. Some brands focus on creating coffee with verified low-acid content, often with pH levels above 5.5, which makes them much gentler on digestion. These options can be a great solution for coffee lovers who want to enjoy their daily cup without the accompanying discomfort. By being mindful of the beans you choose, their origin, roast level, and even brand, you can savor a delicious cup of coffee that is kind to your stomach, allowing you to indulge in this beloved beverage without fear of irritation. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of brewing. The way you prepare your coffee can significantly impact its acidity, and understanding the best methods can help you enjoy a gentler cup. One of the top options for low-acid coffee is cold brew, which stands out as the #1 choice for those seeking a smoother experience. Cold brewing reduces acidity by up to an impressive 70%. This is because cold water extracts fewer acids compared to hot water, resulting in a mellower flavor profile that many find more enjoyable. The process is incredibly simple too. Just mix 1 cup of coarse ground coffee with 4 cups of cold water, and let it steep for anywhere between 12 to 24 hours. After steeping, strain the mixture, and you'll have a deliciously smooth coffee concentrate that you can enjoy over ice or diluted with water or milk. Another excellent method to consider is the French press or AeroPress. Both techniques utilize coarser coffee grinds and shorter brewing times, which effectively reduces the extraction of acids. In fact, the AeroPress is particularly noteworthy because it claims to remove up to 1/5 of the acidity from your coffee, making it a fantastic choice for those with sensitive stomachs. The French press, with its full immersion style, allows for a rich flavor while still keeping the acidity lower than traditional brewing methods. Surprisingly, espresso also deserves a mention in the low-acid conversation. Many people assume that espresso is high in acidity, but it actually has less acid than standard drip coffee. This is largely due to the quick extraction process, which pulls fewer bitter compounds from the beans. To maximize this benefit, make sure to use a dark roast, as the roasting process breaks down more acids, enhancing the smoothness of your espresso. Finally, consider the type of filter you use. Opting for paper filters instead of metal ones can make a notable difference in your coffee's acidity. Paper filters trap oils and acids, resulting in a smoother cup that's easier on your digestion. By being mindful of your brewing method, you can create a delicious coffee that not only satisfies your taste buds but also respects your stomach, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverage without the discomfort that often accompanies it. Embrace these techniques, and you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of low-acid coffee brewing. Want to make your coffee even easier on your stomach? There are several effective tricks you can incorporate into your routine. One of the simplest ways to reduce acidity is by adding milk or cream to your coffee. Dairy products can help neutralize the acids present in coffee, making each sip gentler on your digestive system. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer non-dairy options, almond or oat milk can serve as excellent alternatives, providing a creamy texture without compromising your comfort. Another helpful tip is to brew your coffee with alkaline water. Using water that has a higher pH, such as alkaline water, can help balance out the acidity of the coffee itself. This simple adjustment can transform your cup, making it not only smoother but also easier on your stomach. Additionally, consider timing your coffee consumption wisely. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach can amplify acidity levels and lead to discomfort. To mitigate this, try pairing your coffee with food. A light snack, such as a banana or a piece of toast, can create a buffer in your stomach, helping to neutralize the acid and allowing you to enjoy your coffee without the unwanted side effects. Finally, don't overlook the importance of grind size. The way your coffee is ground can significantly affect its acidity. Coarser grinds tend to extract less acid during brewing, resulting in a smoother, less bitter cup. In contrast, fine grinds can lead to increased bitterness and acidity, which may not sit well with sensitive stomachs. By making these thoughtful adjustments to your coffee preparation, you can enjoy a delicious cup that delights your taste buds while being gentle on your digestive system, allowing you to savor every moment without discomfort. Now, let's dive into making some delicious low-acid coffee drinks that you can easily prepare at home. First up is the smooth dark roast pour-over, which is a fantastic way to enjoy a rich and flavorful cup without the acidity. Start by choosing a Brazilian dark roast, known for its naturally lower acid content. Grind the beans to a coarse texture and heat your water to around 195 degrees Fahrenheit. The key here is to pour slowly and evenly over the coffee grounds, allowing the flavors to fully develop while minimizing any harshness. This method not only results in a wonderfully smooth cup, but also highlights the deep, rich notes of the coffee, making it a delightful choice for any time of day. Next, let's explore an easy and refreshing option: decaf-iced coffee. Many people don't realize that decaffeinated coffee has less acidity than regular brews, making it a great choice for those with sensitive stomachs. To prepare this drink, simply mix decaf coffee granules with cold water, adding a splash of vanilla for a hint of sweetness. Pour this mixture over ice and finish with your choice of milk, whether it's dairy, almond, or oat. This creates a deliciously refreshing treat that's gentle on the stomach and perfect for warm days. Finally, let's talk about a unique and healthful option: a mushroom coffee latte. Mushroom coffee blends are gaining popularity due to their anti-inflammatory properties and lower acidity levels. To make this drink, simply brew your preferred mushroom coffee blend and steam it with oat milk for a creamy, comforting latte. The addition of oat milk not only enhances the flavor but also adds a smooth texture that complements the earthy notes of the mushroom coffee. These drinks are not only enjoyable but also mindful of your digestive comfort, allowing you to savor your coffee without worry. To support our channel, please follow our Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy the coffee moments. See you! If you're interested in coffee, consider joining the Coffee Skills program, which offers essential knowledge and practical skills for the industry. Beginners should start with the Introduction to Coffee course, designed to provide a foundational understanding of the coffee journey from bean to cup. This course is a great first step for those looking to pursue a career in coffee or enhance their appreciation of the beverage. Whether you aspire to be a barista, open a cafe, or simply enjoy coffee more deeply,